If you can't notice right now, that little light in the corner is my check engine light. It has never come on in my life of owning this car, so. What's going on, guys? Back with the second part of this vehicle maintaining video, but adding the SEAFOAM to my engine. Basically gonna spray this into the intake, and it's really simple. Don't really need to go into directions, but it definitely cleans out the throttle body, cleans out basically everything in your engine, and it makes that awesome white smoke that you see in the back of the exhaust, which I'll show once I get this going. Pretty much it's gonna take a minute, so I'm gonna fast forward everything or just skip it. But anyways, catch you guys once I start doing this. First step, we need to pop the hood. Now just need to get the air box out, and then because we're putting it like right back here, it's a really hard spot for these cars, but that's what we have to do, and that's for any Mercedes. Now the best way I found to wire this up for crossfire owners, if you're wondering, is not in front of the air filters, but not in front of the air filters, but actually not even right here. I put it right below there because that's where it's going to stay. If you put it right there, it's going to slip out. I've got the box back on. Now what we're going to do is we have to start the car, get it running to I think 1500 RPM, and then spray this consistently until it kind of slows down the engine, then take a break, then do it again, all the way until the bottle's empty, and then you'll start seeing smoke come out the exhaust. Now unfortunately, I am the only person doing this, as will most of you be. So in order for this to work, I have to get something to keep the gas pedal down. So got to find a 2x4 first, and then we will get this going. Actually, just jerry-rig this into a toolbox and press it down slightly enough, and I think that should do it. So we're gonna use this, start the car, and get it running. Currently at 500 RPM. Let's try to. So now it's pretty steady. Let's go do the SEAFOAM. And you're gonna hear it slow down, and that's normal. Hear that? That's completely normal. So we're just going to keep doing this till the car basically empties out the whole bottle, which should be about 15 minutes. What you can actually hear it doing is, like as I'm doing that, the exhaust is burbling a little bit, which sounds pretty cool. I'm going to put the camera down and see if I can show it. Be sure to give it a good shake every once in a while. It's completely empty, so now we're going to shut off the engine and wait for about 10-15 minutes. So now that it's cooled and it's been probably like 20 minutes, we're going to go ahead and give this a start. I'm going to set you guys up behind it so you can see all the smoke that comes out. And with my luck, we got no, if any, smoke. So let me just update you guys on the SEAFOAM. Here's where I messed up, but at the same time I had a pretty good ending. If you can't notice right now, that little light in the corner is my check engine light. It has never come on in my life of owning this car, so you can bet your bottom dollar that it freaked me the fuck out. Like I was went through emotions of madness, sadness, almost borderline crying, anger, you name it. I experienced it within a matter of like 30 seconds. So basically what happened was, with SEAFOAM, you're supposed to recommended take a car on a rigorous drive after 10 minutes of letting it sit. Me, I didn't do that because I got caught up. I was working on some other stuff under the hood and I forgot all about it. So fast forward about an hour later, I'm like, oh shit, I need to take my car for a drive. So I do that. And you remember how earlier I said there wasn't smoke? There was hella smoke. And I mean hella smoke. Like, I expected it, but it was like so much that it got to the point where the car bogged, check engine came on, and then basically the car went into limp mode and it started rocking real bad, and that freaked me the fuck out. So I drove it some more until the smoke went away, panicking the whole fucking time. then brought it back home, and then turned it off, turned it back on, and LIMP mode went off. So I was like, okay, car's not bad, car's not fucked, basically. So then after I turned it back on, I went for a drive, and I kid you not, this car feels 100 times more responsive, and the acceleration is, I don't know what happened. Like I must have really cleaned out some shit that was in the engine for letting it sit that long. I don't recommend you do it because you might fuck something up. But anyways, the car feels brand new. Like, it drives amazing right now. And to solve that check engine light, basically what I'm gonna have to do is take it to AutoZone and have them just clear the code. But that's just a little update. SEAFOAM gone bad, happy ending, I don't know. But thanks you guys for watching, and definitely subscribe if you're new. Catch you guys later.